Don't know if you can hear me. It's me, it's the pig. Not in the sea. I'm in a river of some kind. Up Talibont, up at Waterfalls. Just been watching a group of kids on like an outward bound thing. And they've just been up, further up a big waterfall, going down on their asses and all. And then they come down to here. And as you can see, there's a ledge that goes under there. And I got my hat on, practicing for cold November for cancer research. So I'm going to see if I can go through with this. I might not be able to hold it all the way through, it's a bit slippery and that, but we'll see. So yeah. Fucking hell, that's cold. Right, they're gonna go through. See you on the other side. Woo! I didn't quite make it through. Slippery as fuck under there. So, this is pig, for pig news, in the fucking water, and it's fucking cold. Take care, you lovely people. Bye.